Today I am making a large screw advance box joint jig to help make half-inch box joints more efficiently. I start with making a frame of rabbeted pine boards. The large width of the box will be about 15 inches, meaning I can make box joints up to 15 inches long. Next, I cut my threaded rod, which is 8 TPI as opposed to the original design's 16 TPI. Then I cut a slot in the frame on the table saw for the 1-inch 8 TPI rod to fit into. Then, I drill a big hole and file out the sides until it's hexagonally shaped, so I can squeeze the nut in there very tightly. Because the rod only needs to turn half as many times, I'm using a combination of 12 and a 24 tooth gear with beveled teeth to work more smoothly at a 90-degree angle. We had a storm that knocked out the power for a few days, which is why I'm working in complete darkness here. So, figured out the problem. The rod over here is kind of tight against the inside of the frame, which is not how it is on the other end. So, fix that, pull this apart, put some cardboard shims. For the box joint jig, so you put it down and box joint jig is all the way to the left. When it's all the way to the left, it's all basically aligned with the blade. Make sure this is square with the table. I used friction blocks to temporarily hold the rails of the box joint jig for final screw-in. I made some test cuts with this jig, but I can't seem to find the footage.